This is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-25T-UP-GRN, and GRN is the part number on the end there. Just simply counts up. Well, it's push button control, and I'm just going to demonstrate the count up feature. It does have shift digit technology, so we start off with hundreds and tenths and seconds. And once it gets above the this 59 seconds, it shifts over to minutes and seconds, and then shifts to hours and minutes. Comes with a 12-volt, 120 wall adapter with a 6-foot cord, and tactile switches on top that you obviously start and stop and then reset. All aluminum enclosure, 2.3-inch high LEDs, good to be viewed up to 120 feet away. Can be mounted on a handy box or a 4-square electrical box. That's about it. DC-25T-UP-GRN green. Thank you.